If you're looking to transfer Bitcoin on Cash App, you'll first need to verify your account. Today, we're going to guide you through the steps to verify your Cash App account and send Bitcoin. Let's get started. First, let's talk about verifying your Cash App account so you can send Bitcoin. Open the Cash App on your smartphone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to the settings menu. Scroll down and select Personal. Tap on Verify Identity. Here you'll be prompted to provide additional information to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your personal details. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. You might also need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID and a selfie to complete the verification process. Make sure the images are clear and all information is legible. Now, Cash App will review your information. This process may take a few hours to a few days. Now that your account is verified, let's move on to transferring Bitcoin on Cash App. Open the Cash App and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the Bitcoin tab, which is usually found on the home screen or in the banking section. Tap on Withdraw Bitcoin. If this is your first time, you may need to enable Bitcoin withdrawals by setting up a Bitcoin wallet address. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. You'll see the option to input the amount in Bitcoin or in your local currency. Enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Double check this address to make sure it's correct. You can also scan a QR code if you have one. Review the transaction details, including any fees that may apply, and then tap Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message once the transaction is processed. The Bitcoin will be sent to recipient's wallet address. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Cash App account and transferred Bitcoin.